Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are going to discuss some important professional question answers related to stock exchange. Question number 1. How do I get started with stock exchange investment? Answer is, to get started you will need to open a brokerage account with a reputable brokerage firm that provides access to the stock exchange. Next question. What factors should I consider before investing in stocks? I will explain you in simple words. It is important to consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, investment time frame, and research the companies you are interested in investing in. Okay, next question. How much money do I need to start investing in the stock exchange? The answer is, the amount of money needed to start investing can vary, but many brokerage firms allow you start with as little as a few $100s. Okay, next question. What are some common investment strategies for the stock exchange? The answer is, some common investment strategies include long-term investment, value investing, growth investing, and index fund investing. Okay, next question. What are the risks associated with investing in the stock exchange? The answer is, investing in stock exchange involves risks such as market volatility, company specific risk, and the potential for loss of investment. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.